Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. I hope that you guys had a wonderful Labor Day. Let me know what you all did down in the comment section. Today I have an amazing video for you guys. As you all know, the headband wig has been trending for quite a bit now, and under my video many of you all asked for more affordable options, and I shared with you guys that I will be showing you all different options that are budget friendly. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a unit from Nadula Hair. Right now we're just doing a quick unboxing. I'm showing you all the goodies that this unit comes with. It comes with headbands, it comes with a stocking cap, it comes with a mirror, all sorts of goodies, and these are things that you do get free with your order, so that's really cool. This is what it looked like right out of the package. It's a beautiful curly texture. It's actually kinky curly, and this unit does come already pre-layered, which is really cool, and it is in length 22, and although it's in a really long length, guys, it's super affordable. This unit was under $200. I believe it was $176 to be exact. So this unit does come as a true half wig. This one does not have a headband pre-attached, but you can add a headband to the front to create the headband wig look. This is actually the first human hair half wig that I've gotten since I've been natural. I used to wear half wigs all the time at the beginning of my natural hair journey. However, those were synthetic. I don't believe companies made human hair half wigs until now. If you guys know of some, then let me know, but I don't really know of any companies that made those. You'd have to make them yourself. So that's what I would generally do, but to already have one that's pre-made is really awesome, and I'm all about it. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you all the versatility of this particular curly half band wig. This is what it looks like from all angles. The texture is really gorgeous, and I'm really excited to see what I can do with it. Now, this particular unit is not my hair texture, but the cool thing about being able to wear a headband look or a half wig look is that you can just slick your hair down really nicely and get it to blend without having any leave out. Now, when I took this unit out of the package, I felt like the curl pattern and the texture and everything was one that you could wear right out of the package. It is so butter soft, y'all. Like, it is a beautiful texture, and I love that about it. But after washing it and everything, I felt like it just brought the curls to life and they look even more beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys that process now. About this texture is that you don't necessarily need to add a styler. You could just leave some of the conditioner in the hair and then detangle the hair and define it really nicely with a detangling brush. I use the Felicia Leatherwood because that is my favorite. I love the way it defines curls. And then I briefly went in with my diffuser and just diffused the hair and allowed the hair to air dry overnight. Now, this is what the hair looks like after air drying. It looks so beautiful. Look at the texture. It's even more defined. It does have a slight hold to it, and I'm just going to fluff it out and make it look bigger, and it's just gonna look so awesome, y'all. All right, so I have this scarf on now. I'm gonna take this off. I haven't actually went in and laid my edges down or anything. We're gonna do that together, and I'm gonna show you guys how we can style this hair. And I already have my hair pretty much laid the way that I want it to be when I put the headband wig on. I'm just gonna use jam in order to lay my hair down. Now, this is not really a strong hold, but I am gonna be using this just because I don't wanna have to worry about flaking or anything like that as I manipulate to style my hair. Because we are doing a half wig install, I just put my stocking cap on, midway. I didn't pull it all the way forward, and I parted my hair down the middle just so it's prepped the way I like whenever I wear a headband or a half wig. Just as of lately, I've been doing it that way, but for sure you can just pull your hair all the way back and wear it that way and then put a headband over. One thing that I noticed when I wash this hair is that there's one track here that covers a track right behind it. And if you don't make sure that the hair is flowing backward over that area, then the track will be exposed. So that's just something to keep in mind. You have to make sure that you aren't having the hair flowing to the side. That's not the way that this particular unit is constructed. If you're wearing a headband, then you don't have to worry about that. But if you're trying to have the hair flowing to the side or do like a little flip over method, you're gonna have to make sure that you position it appropriately so that the tracks here don't show. You see what I mean? Once you put a headband on, you won't be able to tell. But if you're not wearing a headband and you're trying to style this unit, that could potentially create a bit of a problem. But yeah. All right, so I'm gonna try the unit on and show you all what it looks like. First off, this is my hair texture. I am 4B, 4C texture. I'm gonna try to go with this right now. Hopefully it works out. But let's put it on and then I'll add the jam. So once again, this is the inside construction. It does come with combs on the inside. Your adjustable strap is there. And look how the inside cap has holes. This is a really, really good feature, because this creates like an air vent for your scalp so that your scalp can breathe. So this is great, guys. I love caps that are constructed in that manner. All right, we already have our stocking cap on, so I'm just gonna put the unit on over. So I did adjust the straps. I'm gonna put it on, and I am gonna insert the comb here at the top, and the comb at the bottom. This unit is big hair friendly, which is a good thing, but you can always go in and adjust the straps in the back to tighten it as needed. It does feel a little big on my head, but if I were to wear it closer to the front, then it would have more coverage. But I'm wearing it as a true half wig. I'm not gonna do it all the way to the front. I am gonna try to lay my edges down though. So we're gonna do that with the jam, as I mentioned. I hope it works out really well. Texture is gorgeous. Like, look at that. I love that they layered it, so I don't have to cut any of this hair or anything.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on.
So now I'm gonna take my stocking cap. I'm gonna lift it and pull it over and pull it back just so it can hold my hair nice and taut and create a really nice sleek look.
I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space.
Okay, now for headbands. Because of the color of my shirt, I think a burgundy headband would look nice. Or maybe a teal green. Let's try that. So y'all already know, I hook y'all up with these headbands. I'm constantly looking for beautiful colors, beautiful designs, and I found these velvety knot headbands. Look at these. Aren't they stunning? Like, they're so gorgeous and chic. I got these in a ton of colors. They came in this pack. Of course, I found it on Amazon. I think I want to try, maybe I should try burgundy and this teal blue color. I think that'll be really pretty. Oh, gold would look nice too. Okay, let's try all of these, and then I'll try some that are structured in this manner. Now this one doesn't match what I'm wearing. I don't know if any of the ones they sent me will match. Do have black and white polka dots. I don't know if that'll look good with my top. I'm gonna try it on though. So I wanna try these first because I feel like these would look gorgeous with this look.
I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give.
That looks so stunning. Now you can leave it as is and it looks really good this way, but I like volume, so I'm gonna go in with my pick and I'm just gonna pick at the roots and make it more voluminous.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out.
Y'all, this hair can get really big. It is 150% density, but after I washed it, I was like, doesn't look as full as I want. But that's because you have to pick it out.
I take you to London, Paris, like some times we'll cherish. Maybe there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that
I love the way this looks. Great, y'all. The burgundy headband looks so good with my top. And my top is from Shein. My lip color, I know I'm gonna get questions, is from Lip Bar and it's called Boss Lady. But Boss with a slang spelling, B-A-W-S-E. I'll leave it on the screen just to make sure you guys get it. But it looks so amazing with this unit. Okay, let's switch to the teal color now. Ooh, that's pretty too. Yes, ma'am. I feel like this red lip color just makes it pop so much more. Oh, it looks great. And you see how my edges, they're not perfectly slicked down. I usually use the Got To Be glue gel, and y'all, that Got To Be gets me together. It looks so great with the Got To Be. My edges do seem like they're kind of shrinking back up a little bit, but it's all right. Now let's try the mustard gold color. And y'all let me know which color y'all like best. So far, it's the burgundy for me. This one is fly. Okay, let's see the gold. Oh, my. I don't know. It might be. Okay, so right now, these two are my top choices. All right, we got to do some selfies with this look. I'm going to show you guys my full outfit. I'll put a little picture on the screen for y'all. In my birthday vlog, I wore a unit that was very similar to this one, but I had to have it made. The fact that this one already comes pre-made with the same look, and I think it was much less than having that one made and getting the bundles and everything. So, oh my goodness, Nadula, I think y'all did something with it. This is it for me. I like the gold and the burgundy. Y'all let me know. Y'all, I think I found the perfect affordable natural hair wig. This is everything. And I found the perfect red lip. This color is so perfect with my skin tone. This look just came together so well. And I don't know if y'all can see the layers. I love these layers. Many of you guys are always asking about whether you had to cut the unit, all those different details and how you have challenges with that. You won't have to worry about it with this unit. You don't need to cut it at all. It's already pre-layered for you. Okay, now let's see what the polka dot headband looks like. This one actually came in the box. I'm not going to try all of them on because I don't feel like they match my shirt, but I will try this one on because I feel like it could work. Oh, this one is actually a scarf style headband. So you could wear it with the bow in the back or coming toward the top. So let's try that.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give any up. Paris, make some times we'll cheer.
Now you can wear the unit up doing it this way. So I'm just going to take a little butterfly clip just to keep the hair at the top out of my way.
No comparing.
Now, what I'm a little concerned about is that this scarf is going to flip down and then we're going to be exposed. But I'm going to try it out and see what it looks like. I don't know. And now we have our high ponytail. Now, I will say this particular headband is not thick enough because it's not fully covering the bottom portion of the band. See how this portion is kind of sticking out? So these headbands that it comes with, you can use these to wear your hair down and they're going to look great, but when you pull the hair up, you may not want to use these. Okay, so this is the turban style headband that I was referring to. These are really stretchy and they have a really thick band. I showed them to you guys in my last crochet braid video in the color black, but I also have it in brown. I have this one in like a orangey color, and I have it in, I believe, one other color, but I'll be sure to link these down in the description box. Now I'm just gonna put this one right over the polka dot one. Okay, now as you can see, this one fully covers the back because the band is so wide. That's what I love about it. So you don't have to worry about any of the band showing. And you have this really nice cute knot in the front. And if you wanted to have some of the polka dot peek through, you could do that as well. So I kind of like the polka dot design with it. It's kind of cute. All right. Of this video, guys. I hope that you all found it very helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which headband look was your favorite. Be sure to check the description box for all the links and specifications for this unit. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.